Hi everyone, it's Nick Lippis. I'm here at ISIM City as we're continuing to test the 6500, the Catalyst 6500 from Cisco. In this test, this is like one of the most interesting tests that we're doing. But we're basically going to make sure that when we turn encryption on the 6500 is that we see no performance degradation, so no hit. So to do that, we're going to show traffic unencrypted and then encrypted. Let me give you a quick setup on how we're doing this. We have the Ixia gear here, and they're going to be generating traffic. All traffic is tagged with my name, right, Nick Lippis Confidential. So every packet is going to be tagged with that. It feeds into like the 6500 Catalyst. There's another Catalyst 6500 right here. They're connected together with 10 gigabit Ethernet links, and we're going to be able to now tap off one of the Catalyst 6500s and feed it into a product from a company called cPacket. I just happen to have the CEO of cPacket with me. His name is Ronnie K. Ronnie, why don't you come on over and tell us a little bit about how you're going to be able to inspect all this traffic and show us, whether it's encrypted or not encrypted.
What we have here is the cTap. It's one of our most simple products. It includes our algorithmic fabric in silicon, which enables us to inspect every bit in every packet and every flow at full line rate under any traffic conditions. The device is connected to a simple GUI, which will allow us to show the example that Nick was referring to. We'll show first how we look into all the packets, some header field of the packet with another filter, and a third filter with Nick Lippis confidential in the payload. We are going to count and potentially capture each and every packet with this marker inside. We'll show the payload with the marker inside. Then Sean will enable the encryption, and then the Nick Lippis in the payload is going to disappear and replaced by some undistinguishable.
Great. So can we show everyone how the packets look right now so you can identify packets being tagged?
Sure. So what we have here, I swap from the overview page to the filtering page. In the filtering page, we have defined 3 types of filters for all the traffic, only based on one of the header fields, as well as according to the payload. Here you see the 6 filters for both directions. So for example, the filter that inspects for Nick Lippis confidential in the payload at an unknown offset is here.
So we're looking for, we're going to search, inspect every packet for this tag, this Nick Lippis confidential.
Exactly. And then what we can do, just to confirm that these are the packets, we're going to snap few examples which are matching these filters. So what I'm doing now, I'm asking the cTap to give me few examples of the matching packets. And when it will end up, what I'll do, I'll move to the snapshot page, and we'll just look in a protocol analyzer in those packets. And we'll click on this file, and let's see what we find out. And we see that here, in the payload of the packet, you simply see Nick confidential. Here you see the hex representation. Here you see the ASCII representation. So the point is, over this link, we have a high, we have whatever we have, 8.8 gigabit per second. Out of this 8.8 gigabit per second, 100% of the packets are matching Nick Lippis confidential in the payload.
Okay, great, excellent.